BMW revealed the first ever XM. It is a plug-in hybrid that consists of the 4.4-liter M twin-power turbo V8 engine and 194 horsepower electric motor. Total system output is 643 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. The power is channeled to the road via the all-wheel drive system MX Drive. BMW XM sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.3 seconds and top speed is limited to 270 km per hour with M driver's package. The M hybrid button on the central console is used to select one of 3 operating modes, including an all-electric setting. This car has the all-electric range of between 82 and 88 km in the WLTP cycle thanks to the 25.7 kWh battery. This model arrives at dealerships worldwide in spring 2023. An even more powerful version, the BMW XM, label red with 748 horsepower, will be added to the model range in autumn 2023. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the new BMW XM?